You might struggle a little bit with copying and pasting things from page to page, and sometimes grabbing things that you don't want to carry over. So here's an example. If I tap on the lasso and I want to set up my next day, I would like this tracker for meals, but I don't want the writing. And every time I lasso it and I long press and I hit copy, I go to my next page, it's going to paste everything. And it's frustrating. And then you might have tried to hit the eraser and you try to just erase that, but it's a lot more steps than you really need. So let's get rid of this. Let's go back. So when you know you only want to carry over, for example, this image and not the handwriting, you can tap on your lasso tool and you can say that you don't want to carry over the handwriting. So you're going to click on that on and off switch until it's grayed out. And guess what? Now, when you lasso this and you copy it, it's only going to copy and paste the widget. So you don't have to go back into your sticker collection every time you want to carry. There's something that you're using often. You can just copy it from page to page and you don't always have to dig into your collections to pull it out. So that works. And if there's an instance where you really do want to carry the writing, you're just going to go back and you're going to toggle it back on. And this works for handwriting, images, such as this, text box, when you use your text tool up here, equations, if you're doing math, if you're using the tape function that comes with GoodNotes 6 now, or comments, which is something that's added through the menus, or sticky notes.